Hello?
Hey, just making sure we're still meeting at the Pikeville Expo, right?
What?
For the event. I'm leaving in like 30 minutes. We're still meeting there, right?
That was today?
Yes, it was today. I've been telling you for weeks now.
Yeah, right. I'm getting ready right
Yeah,
now.
whatever
I'll be
you
there
say.
in a second.
I told you, early bird gets the worm.
Whatever, Mom. I'm here. Can I get in?
Sorry, no, admissions are closed.
No, Mom always says that.